Christo, and today I am going to be making sounds for you. Yeah. So, first one is for you guys. My guitar. My second one is me on tracks. So guys, this wrap up the video.
Subscribe.
This took us at least 2 weeks to make.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2
Yeah.
freaking weeks. It's so long.
And like
1 week.
Yeah. So like
That's really long.
yeah.
But I hope you liked it. We
So it
put a
took
lot of
3
effort
weeks.
into it.
This is gonna go on the EXO clan and my channel and
Maybe mine.
maybe. Who knows? Definitely the EXO clan because like, bro, it took us so
so long.
Say thanks to Darcy for being in it.
Thanks for Darcy to being
Thank you
like
for
just
Tiger.
standing there.
Thank you,
Thanks, Tiger.
being in it.
So we're gonna have to put the credits in now. So goodbye.